Please click on subscribe to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon to get more updates. Hey everyone, this is me Kavita, welcomes you to the yellow curry. And today I will show you one most commonly used chutney called spicy green chutney. This is the basic green chutney, and using this chutney as a base, I will show you 3 more variants of this. For that, I have taken 60 grams of coriander leaves and 25 grams of mint leaves. Always remember the quantity of coriander leaves should be more than the quantity of the mint leaves. Because if you use both in equal quantity, then there is a tendency that your chutney will be dark and you sometimes may experience bitter taste in it. The quantity of mint leaves will always be half or less than the quantity of the coriander leaves. If you are taking 2 cups of coriander leaves, then take 1 cup of mint leaves in it. Select the freshest quality of leaves so that you end up getting juicy, vibrant texture on your chutney. And please discard the stem part from the bunch of the leaves and take only the leafy parts. For that, I am using 8 grams of black peppercorns, 1 inch ginger and 2 green chilies. I am not using garlic here. If you wish, you can add 2 or 3 pods of garlic. So in the jar, I am adding one by one. First I am adding mint leaves, followed by coriander leaves, followed by green chilies. And make sure if you have not chopped, break the green chilies into pieces. Add the peppercorns, add the cut pieces of ginger. Here I have added some white salt or regular salt, followed by some black salt. Use only half teaspoon or 1/4 teaspoon of this black salt to get a good aroma out of it, and use the least possible amount of water to grind your chutney. Our chutney is ground now, and transferring it to a bowl. Now pressing some lemon juice on it, add according to your taste, squeeze it on top of the chutney and ensure a good blending. Now I am adding chaat masala, that is 1/4 teaspoon. Adding dry mango powder or amchur powder, that is also 1/4 teaspoon, and blend all this well. So the base of our green chutney is ready. I am taking it out in a bowl, and the rest I will use to make the other variant of chutneys. This is the chutney commonly used in samosa, chaat, kachori, pani puri and sandwiches. And you can adjust the consistency according to your own preference. Now taking 1 tablespoon of chutney from this and keeping it in other bowl. And I will mix 2 tablespoons of beaten curd in it. First I have added 1 tablespoon of curd in it. Let me mix it. If I am not getting the desired consistency and taste, I will add 1 tablespoon more. Please always taste your chutney before adding more, because taste your and mine may not be same. Here I am adding 1 more tablespoon of curd and mixing it well. And this variant of chutney goes well with kebabs. So the curd variant of spicy green chutney is ready. I am serving it in a bowl. Now here from our prepared green chutney mixture, I am taking 1 more tablespoon in another bowl. This time I am going to add cream on it. Here I am adding 1 tablespoon first. I will mix it, and if needed, I will add 1 tablespoon of more cream in it. I am adding 1 tablespoon of more cream in it. Let me mix it and taste. Here you can go by your own preference and according to your own taste. Just taste it before adding more. So the cream version of our spicy green chutney is tasting almost perfect. So I am transferring it into a serving bowl. This chutney also goes well with kebabs and many types of fries. Now our next variant. Here I am adding 1 tablespoon of our green chutney mixture in a mixing bowl. This time I am adding 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise in it. And this chutney tastes really great. This is one of my personal favorite. This chutney is not only spicy, it is spicy, sweet, tangy and creamy in texture and taste. Mix it well. Blending is really necessary for this. A good blending ensures a good taste from the chutney. Here I am adding 1 tablespoon of more mayonnaise on it, mixing it and ensure a good creaminess and richness in it. So the mayo version of our spicy green chutney is ready and served. This variant of mayo chutney, mayo spicy green chutney, goes really well with veg and non-veg kebabs, tandooris and fries also. So do try these recipes at home and share me your feedback. Now look at the color variation from 4 different type of chutneys. Isn't it looking beautiful? It is not only looking beautiful, taste also great. So please do make these recipes at home and share me your feedback. Thanks for watching and please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Bye bye.